Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Mountain House meal. Now this is biscuits and gravy, and this is a breakfast menu. But yeah, let's have a close look and then we'll try it out. All right, let's check out the packaging, and we have Mountain House right there, right on the front. Savor the adventure. I guess that's their slogan. Very nice. And we have some happy campers, just having a great time, enjoying the outdoors. And it looks like they're trying to boil some water. Yeah, they look very happy, so yeah, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. Should probably take my own advice. And we have a biscuits and gravy meal. Now this is a freeze-dried meal, of course. That's what Mountain House is famous for. And we have buttermilk biscuits with gravy and pork patty crumbles. Sounds delicious. And this is labeled as a breakfast menu, so of course you can eat it anytime you want. It's supposed to be 2 servings, but I have my doubts. You get a total net weight of 4.94 ounces or 140 grams. Usually takes less than 10 minutes to prepare. Just add water, no cleanup. Let's check out the back. You have the slogan on the back as well. They must be very proud of it. Here's some text. If you guys want to read that, go ahead and pause it. Hit the pause on the nutrition facts as well. And here's the ingredients. Pause it. And the instructions are very simple. Just open, remove oxygen absorber, add boiling water, close it up, wait 10 minutes, and boom, you're done. Very simple, very easy. And there you have the expiration date, best by June of 2047. And I'm sure they can go beyond that. You have a nice guest at the bottom. And it looks like we have some tips or advice. We have STOP, which means stop, think, observe, and plan. Every little thing is gonna be all right. All right, sounds good. Let's get this thing prepared. Get some water boiling, and yeah. But yeah, I actually got this one from my friend Chris and his wife Amy. His wife Amy actually has a YouTube channel if you want to check her out. She's got all kinds of different videos. Some are ration related. But yeah, if you want to show some support, the link will be in the description box. Just want to say thanks. All right, so let's get the water boiling and we'll just fast forward through this. And I got this very cool Finnish canteen from Finland, very similar to the US canteen, just it has sort of a square shape. I like the grip right here. And same thing on the back, so you can get a nice hold of it. Not as robust or thick as the US GI canteen, but check out Rations and More if you guys want to get one. All right, let's open it up, see what it looks like. And there you have it. We'll get rid of this. Do not eat. And there you have the biscuits. Let's try a piece. Oh, a couple of pieces. Let's try it. Yeah, it's very crunchy, kind of has that stuffing, dry bread taste to it. Very good. All right, let's see if we can find the sausage crumbles. There you have it, and let's try it. Not as crunchy as the biscuits, but it does have that pork sausage flavor. All right, it looks like the water is just about right. You don't have to get it extremely hot, just either boiling or close to boiling. So, all right, let's get it in our pouch. We'll give it a gentle stir. Just be very gentle. Just be careful not to stir it too much, or else you'll just have mush. And there you have it. Let's close it. Get a nice tight seal. And we'll wait 10 minutes. All right, we're gonna prepare some Russian coffee. We have Russian coffee, sugar, and Canadian whitener or creamer. And I got these from Shocker 71. Thanks a lot. And we'll use our folded cup made in Sweden. Get the coffee in there. coffee looks like. Put sugar in there as well. That's the Russian sugar. We have some nice chunky crystals. And our Canadian whitener or creamer. There you have it. Let's get some water in there. Oh yeah. And let's stir our coffee. This coffee has a really nice aroma, very strong. There it is. We'll let it cool down and we'll come back. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's get it onto our bowl. Oh yeah, that is a nice thick gravy. That's all of it. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's smelling really good. It smells like gravy and sausage. And there you have it. You can see some of the gravy, the biscuits, and sausage. All right, let's go for a bite. Yeah, gravy has good flavor to it. Let's go for another bite. Let's try to get more of the sausage. Let's try our Russian and Canadian coffee. Oh yeah. Yeah, that is good coffee. Yeah, definitely good flavor, good texture. The biscuits have a nice crunch to them. They're not mushy or soggy or anything like that. The gravy is nice and thick, very well seasoned, and the pork sausage or patty crumbles, whatever you want to call them, it's good. It could use a bit more of it. When you take a bite, you mostly get biscuits and gravy, so just a minor complaint. But yeah, this meal is definitely very filling, very hearty, no complaints. The Russian/Canadian coffee, excellent quality, very strong coffee. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the Mountain House biscuits and gravy. Definitely a nice meal, no complaints. Just that minor thing with the patty crumbles, but overall, excellent. The Russian/Canadian coffee was amazing, very nice quality, but just want to give a huge thanks and shout out to Chris and Amy. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.